Hello friendly friends, today we are talking about snow bases. Yes, to show you how to do it. So this is the end goal, this is how we want it to look. Have a little textures on the base. These are the actual miniature I'm showing in the tutorial. And hey, if you are following me, the things you need to have are clean tap water, a turquoise or bluish color, light blue colors, some kind of wood glue, baking soda, bakepulver, these things you make your muffins with that make it get bigger, and a cheapo white acrylic, or you can use your expensive acrylics as well. Bonus things you need are a little thing to mix it all in, and an old broken brush and something to stir with. And that's it. Get ready and you can have a lot of bases ready to have snow of them. So hey, here we go. Let's go. How to make snow bases. So you see this snow base with this lovely texture, which reminds me of a little old snow where you have warmth weather and cold weather. It forms this icy kind of snow that has a little powder on top. It's kind of looking like both snow and ice. And I'm going to step by step show you how to make it and apply it to your base to have this snow base. And first of all, you need to have a base. I like to paint up my miniatures and do the basing afterwards, because you can have a little snow coming up on the shoes and whatever, and like dressing up the thing even more. But yeah, be careful so you don't overdo it, or hey, do creative stuff if you want to. So first off, you need to find a color that's turquoise or bluish or light blue, or some colors like that. Even some green colors will work. And what you do is paint the base in that color. You don't have actually make it like a uniform color, it doesn't matter. This is just the underlay that will give the white on top a very white look to it, and the underneath will, like for the eye, read as ice. So it's going to be a very good and very icy color. So that's why you want to have a turquoise or bluish, light bluish, something with very light colors in it. Just get a good white on it. So now we are going to make the ice mix. Baking powder, baking powder, bakepulver. It is the thing you put in your muffins so they get bigger. So you have this white powder. I'm not having too much of it left, but it's sufficient. So you have a container and you put a little bit, whoopsie daisy, in it, like so. And it's going to be hard to me to say exact measurements here, because everybody has kind of different baking sodas, water, if you're hard or soft water, and stuff like that. So yeah, you just have to feel yourself what you need. And then you have wood glue you put in it, like so. Yeah. And then just a little fresh water. Just a little tip of it. Let's see if I can get it. Like so. 1/3 of each or something like that. Find something to stir with. And there you have something that resembles snow. And what I do, I put a little bit of cheap acrylic paint white acrylic paint in it as well. So the colors are going to keep being white. Like so. Now have this thing, and you just have to play with it till you find how you like it to be. So more water will make it more soft. I think I will try it with a little bit more glue to see how it looks like now. Right now I want to have a little bit more glue in it. Like so. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Let's see. Then I have an old brush I use, and I just apply it to the mini. Let's see. And with this one I wanted to build up a little bigger structure, so I'm kind of happy with this picture. And what you see here, because of the color underneath hasn't dried completely, it bleeds up to the snow, and I kind of want that. I want this icy look to the snow. So let's just keep applying, and I want to have this underneath to try to sell this illusion of snow packing around this helmet. Like so. And the less you have, or the more you have, that will define the look for this snow. So this snow is more thick snow, more fresh snow, like when you are plowing, snow plowing, you will have this on the side of the roads, packed fresh snow look to it. And I want to have it a little bit on the feet, but not too much. And then I can go in with another mix on his feet if I want to. So what you see is the baking soda is reacting with the moistness and giving this big look to everything. And what the glue is doing, it is settling everything. So when it's drying up now, everything is just going to be in this, have this look for a very long time. None of my minis have changed their look. I have the oldest snow bases I have made are 6-7 years old now, so I am confident that this method is a good one to show off for you guys and girls. Just have a little good time, have a little fun time with it. Play with the snow till you're satisfied, and then keep in mind snow are looking different. So if you have a base that looks like this, and then you have a base look like this, it's perfectly okay. And of course, if I want to, I can put more structure in the one I already have. I kind of want to, because I like the new snow. Yeah. And then when this is dry, I'm maybe going over with a little bit of contrast paint, the white one Apothecary, just to give it even more a little shade. There you have it, snow bases. So big ups and thank you for all my Patreons, especially thank you for the mug people, the ones that are in it for the mug. You're going to get a similar mug to this one, sent by Patreon, and it's Kenneth and Daniel. You are super supportive. Tyre, you will get a mug. That's awesome. And also thank you to my fellow YouTubers, Play Painted, Warboss Tay, and anax Tabletop Painting, or Studio. I'm not sure. I think it's Studio. anax Tabletop Studio. But thank you, and yeah, give them a follow. Links below, I think. Yeah, just look below. My first Patreon that are Dave Dodge, then we have Andreas, and then we have also Hansa. Thank you so much, everybody. It means a lot to me. In a month or two, I will buy myself a gaming chair so I can sit and paint and do more live streams for you guys. All right? Thank you all, and see you in the next one. Bye now.